Hi guys, I'm Bob and you're watching Tech Talk. In today's video I'm going to show you how to repair an all-in-one water cooling. This guy here is not cooling at all. The CPU is going wild into the 80s and 90s degrees. So this guy is not doing any job at all. I will open it, I will refill it with water. I'll first bleed it out. Then I will refill it with water, with distillated water. And we will make a benchmark to see if it's going to work again. For this job, I bought one adapter. This guy goes directly into the power supply. And here I have three connectors, with which I will connect only the pump to the computer. I decide myself that I will open this end here. It has brackets which are really difficult to remove and mount again. You can buy yourself one new with the same size from one hardware store, and this one you can throw away. I reused the same one, but it took me a lot of time and effort to put it back together. So put on your seatbelts. install it in my computer and see if it's going to cool. And if I'm lucky, I will see good temps, and also I will make a benchmark about it. So guys, as you saw, the temps are around 42 degrees. I'm pretty satisfied with those results. We have an i5 2300 processor and it's not putting a lot of heat anyway, but we can still see that the water cooling is working. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that I was helpful to you. If you want to be helpful too, you can subscribe. I have a lot of great videos coming in our way. Stay safe.